Hi everyone, thank you for joining us here at Architessa in Rockville. This is your TileStream and Tile Talk with Ginny. I'm here to bring you guys today a sneak peek at a brand new launch that we have. It's called Currents. It is so cool. I'm very excited because it comes as a two-part system. So we have here these three solid colors. These are so cool. I like this one. This one's called blue. We have silver and the rust. So the rust I'm seeing can go very industrial, kind of industrial farmhouse. I find it can be super flexible, but the blue and the silver, if you want more of a clean look, I think are just so pretty. One other thing to think about and why I laid these out in this way is that you can do them because they are rectified porcelains. You can install them actually in a checkerboard. I'm doing a lot of real marbles in checkerboard, in black and white, gray and white. So I'm glad that I can add to that repertoire of the black and white checkerboard in this porcelain, kind of more of like a contemporary vibe with that traditional twist. I just think this could be so much fun. And again, these porcelains, these solid colors go really great then with their counterpart, the ones that look like marble over here. And I think these are so pretty. Like, for example, look at these two together. This is the color called Celeste, a marble looking porcelain. It's a dreamy whisper, like soft blue. There's actually a marble called Blue Celeste that gives this really soft baby powdery blue to it. So I'm so glad to have this. It's a marble look or more of an onyx look because you're seeing these nice soft veins running through it. I love it in the polish. I love it in the hone. The hone gives it more of that kind of contemporary vibe, the shiny finish. More traditional, classic, but this blue, this powdery blue with then the blue in the solid color format, I just think would create such a dramatic and dynamic space. So I think these two together, not just these, I mean, again, we have lots to play with, 3 colors in the solid, 4 colors to play with in the marble looks. So cool thing about these marble looks, we've got 4 colors that we're playing with. We've got the Celeste, we've got vanilla, which I think this is so dreamy. So in marble, in real marble, people have been asking for more of the cream marbles again because our beiges are back. So we've got everyone wanting crema marfil, botticino, their travertines, their ivory travertines, crema leon limestone. I'm seeing a lot of that beige coming back and taking such a big swing at everything. So for me, this one, the vanilla, looks like crema marfil marble, but you don't have any of the maintenance. It's pet friendly, kid friendly, big grown man, adult friendly. Like this can take a beating. Once you install porcelain, you're going to need a sledgehammer to like break it, to hurt it, to damage it. You can drop wine on it. Dogs take a poop. Kids drop in gosh knows what, slime, dirt, glitter. I hate glitter. Oh my god, I hate glitter. But leave that there for like weeks, months, years. You can still wipe it. Don't leave that poop though. Please don't leave the doggy poop. We don't want that doggy poop. Pick it up. But it's hypoallergenic. There are no VOCs coming out of this. This is so great for anyone who has allergies. And again, just for me, like the low maintenance in terms of cleaning, so easy to keep clean. And then with the grouts that we have today, we can, keep it a very, very easy installation, no maintenance. I moved that because I really want you to take a look at this. And this is the color Pearl. This one is so incredible. Look at the swirls in here. I mean, this is like a freaking archaeological dig. You see these pockets. This has got so much dimension. This is in the matte finish. It also comes in the polish finish. And I actually have a 4th color called Sahara, but these samples are so hot, I can't keep them in the showroom. So please check out your local showroom. Again, we're here in Rockville, Bethesda, Baltimore, Alexandria, and Vienna. Ask your local salesperson for the Currents series, just so you can see all the colors. And what's cool also about these in the marbly look is that in the polished format, it also comes in a 24x48. You want to talk about nice, modern, contemporary, clean lines. You've got a great foyer you want to put this in, no maintenance, marble look. You've got a great kitchen. It'll go great with your countertops because these are all natural colors that everyone is looking for these days in real countertops. You've got the marbles, the quartzites, which are made by God, and these coordinate with all of those. Also then the man-made, the quartz, the Cambrias, all those different vendors who make the faux countertops to look like stone, these will coordinate with those as well. I just think this is such a great addition to our stockpile of options for you guys. So again, check us out any of one of your local showrooms. Ask us how we can show you about the currents and help you with your project. Until next time, bye.